Good morning, class 8th. Today we are going to complete some portions of exercises of chapter 4, metals and non-metals. In the previous class we have completed definitions and hard words of this chapter. Here we are going to complete exercise C part of exercise. So you can read C1. State whether the following statement are true or false. So here we have to write true or false for the following questions. So for the following statements, so students, open page number 61 in your science book and keep a pencil with you to complete exercise of chapter 4. Now here you all can see coal and sulfur are brittle in nature. So it is true, because we all know that coal and sulfur are non-metals and non-metals are brittle in nature. Now the second one, most metals react with water, some vigorously and some slowly. So here this statement is right. So here you have to write true for the second statement. Now the third, non-metals are generally non-reactive to water. Yes, this is also true, because we have read earlier that non-metals are generally non-reactive to water and oxygen too. Now the fourth, silver can displace zinc from its salt solution. So it is false, because silver is less reactive than zinc, so it cannot displace zinc from its salt solution. Now the fifth, sulfur is used as an antiseptic in skin ointments. So it is true for fifth. We have seen uses of non-metal, and there we have read that sulfur is used as an antiseptic in skin ointments. So in the C1 portion, only fourth statement is false or wrong. Now C2, we will complete fill in the blanks of C2 in the next class, because you have to do fill in the blanks in the copy, so you have to complete it with the question answers. Now the C3, match the two columns. So here you can see column A and column B, and you have to match them. So first you can read magnesium used in fireworks. So you can match magnesium with the third. Now potassium can be cut with knife. So here you have to match potassium with 6. Now gold occurs in free state. So you have to match gold to the first of column B. Now the zinc used to just a minute. Potassium can be cut with a knife. Now we were talking about zinc. So zinc used to galvanize iron. So you have to match zinc with the fifth. Now aluminium. Aluminium used to wrap food. So you have to match aluminium with the second. Now the iron, 6. So iron occurs in combined state because iron is very reactive. Now the mercury, 7th. Mercury used in thermometer, we all know, because it is a liquid metal. So you have to complete C1, C3 and C4 in book, and C4 is your homework. You have to complete C4 in your book. This is multiple choice question, and by doing it you can revise the whole chapter. So thank you class, that's all for today. In the next class we will do fill in the blanks and question answers of this chapter. Thank you all.